guys, for another action-packed Dom's Fishing Adventures. We're out here on my favourite spot. I just want to get a couple of squid, a couple of calamari, and yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm actually trying out different ground this time. I'm just looking in the water for like dark areas. That means there's a bit of weed. I got a sound of it. I mean, if you can see the bottom, that's pretty much what you need, really. 12-13 minutes of water. On sunny days, this pilchard silvery colour does very well. So I'll be using one of these, and I'll be using something a bit deeper because I prefer to use one deep and one sort of mid-range. So they're the two jigs I'll be using, and away we go. Right, okay, got one. That's good. I got one on the blue jig. Nice weight coming up here. Drag is a bit too loose. Just make sure he's hooked. Yeah, he's definitely hooked. Alright, nice. Beautiful specimen here on the blue jig. I knew that was going to work well, and he's definitely well. Oh. Beautiful. Great way to start the day. I've only been here maybe for about 5 minutes, so that's terrific. And it's really calm conditions, and well, pardon me mate, that's how we do it. Woohoo! So as you can see, we're not drifting at all, it's glassed out. I only bought the one squid rod, but it doesn't matter, I mean you can use any rod really. Alright, so I got one here. About time too. Yeah, it's a decent one. He's just, he knows he's hooked. Looks like there's a follower. Oh no, that's the cloud it's making. Oh, and it's just on the tentacle too. So no underwater shots for this guy. Now I might get my net. Whoa, look at him go. Beautiful. Calm conditions. I'm actually almost tempted to use one of these for bait out deep, because these conditions are too good. I know that the wind is going to change later on. I'll probably miss my opportunity, but not with these fine calamari. Love it, absolutely superb. That's a good size too. Nothing too big, nothing too small. This blue jig is really doing well. And I've only got two. I think it's doing well because it's the only jig I'm actually sort of, you know, working. The other one I'm just letting it sit. So beautiful. Right. I've got one, but I've actually tangled around the tip here. Yeah, I think it might be weed, or might be a really small one. Let's see. No, it's definitely a squid. Yeah, there's a small one though, tiny one. Huh, way too small. Really good for bait. That would have to be the smallest squid I ever caught. Here we go again. Had to move. Whoops! What the hell was that? Because as you can see, it's just too calm. And I got a couple. I'm not really going for any big records today. Right, so now I've moved again. The wind is picking up slightly, which is a good sign. So hopefully a few more squid. So I've noticed there's a bit of a bait ball there. I'd say they're probably herring or bait fish. See if I can cast out a twister into them. No, I can't quite get to it. There you go. Oh, yep. Couple. What is it? Ah. Right, let's try again. A lot smaller of a lure. There you go, straight away. Beautiful. They are small. The way I'm going today, I only spat it too. Just can't seem to get stuck on. There you go, come on. Oh yeah, good fighters they are. There he is. Oh, you came off again, what the hell? These hooks are so small. Fine. That's the herring. Went for that big hook there. Alright. Yeah, so that was lucky. I mean, his mouth like that. That lure was just too big. Here we go. This is what I wanted. I knew this was going to be the case, and I went out about 12 metres of water, because in the shallows there's just nothing there, nothing happening. So we've got a nice squid here. You beauty. Well, there's one over there too. One right there. Well. Oh, no need. He actually took it. So that's the kind of squid fishing I like. I don't have to wait around too much, and bang, 2 in 1 hit. I did want to get the underwater footage, but he beat me to it. That's awesome. Yeah, okay mate, alright. I've got to be careful here. Beautiful. Now we're getting some runs on the board. People did ask, oh, why don't you go for the big fish? I will. Oh, look at that. I will go for the big fish, but I just need to find the right time and right state of mind to get out there and find some ground for it. But 3 already. I'm just so happy I moved. So it's a calm day, sunny. Don't go in shallow, go in a bit deeper water, and that's where the squid are going to be. Can't complain with that. Oh, alright, so could be a butterfish. They've definitely got some backbone to them. What have I got? That's a big butterfish. Almost a PB. Only if it was a nice big juicy whiting. Okay, so it's bobbing. That's definitely a calamari. Yeah, there you go, pulsating. That's good. Now I really had to make sure I was close to the bottom. And it's a good thing, where there's butterfish, there's calamari. Just plop this one on the bottom. Oh, it's not too bad. Alright mate. Great job. Oh, explosion. That is epic. Alrighty. This is might be squid of the day here. Yeah, nice one. Beautiful. Right on the back of the head. And I was jigging this around. Oh, yeah. Fine, beautiful, lovely specimen of a calamari. Right here, off the west coast of Western Australia. Location, roughly Fremantle, Cottesloe. Perfect. Right, so I put in my really heavy tip jig, and I was actually jigging it like a Yamenta, and this one here was, gee, just grabbed it Awesome. I'll quickly show you the technique. And it's what these it's what these tip run jigs are designed to do. There you go. So it's a 40 gram one. I'll quickly show you. Hopefully it works again, but we're just coming over the weed patch again. So that may have been that one I lost before. So I bring it down. And basically, as if you had a slow pitch jig for like demersal fishing. Not that I'm a professional, but just jigged it a few times. And it went bang and it grabbed onto it. Righto. One more try. Here we go, here we go. Oh, he's a stonker. He's a stonker, this one. I'll just let more line out to make sure the jig was down the bottom. Alrighty, and that could be the last one for the day, because the wind's starting to pick up. Oh. What have I got here? There he is. Oh. Whew. It's a big one, alright. Whew. Oh my god, he's just on two. Oh. Go with him, go, alright. He doesn't want to have a bar of it. Gotcha! That's the way to end the day. One big fine specimen of a calamari. Real big one. Tip run jigs doing the trick. Whew. And you just gotta love it. Alright, I'm gonna head back in the port, and as per usual, we'll try and do a cook up. Thanks, mate. Let's go. Try that again. People, we made it back home. Right, so I didn't get a chance to show you how to clean the squid, but in the meantime I've got these ones here. I did clean them. I'm going to be using a small calamari like that there. Also I've got one crab I caught the other day, so we're going to cook up something that I just like. That's a marinara with linguine, fresh tomatoes. Let's do it. The panning, olive oil, so we've got some garlic and a chilli. I'm going to use 2 fresh tomatoes, chop them up. There you go. Calamari, I'm just going to cut them into little rings. Big rings, don't matter. Bit of water so it can simmer. There you go. Oh, that's heaps. Now it's time to put in the crab. And all this fine calamari. Just throw it in. That won't take long to cook. Probably 10 minutes. Probably takes more time for the tomato to actually cook than the actual seafood. I might need to put a bit more water because it will simmer down a bit. That's one marinara. Go, just a little bit of parsley and heaps of basil. And probably just half a teaspoon of sugar. That's it. And that's just to balance out the acidity in the fresh tomatoes. Now I just need to turn this down a bit. That's almost done. Have a quick taste of the sauce. The calamari. Just to see if there's enough salt and stuff in it. I could just eat this by itself. That is delicious. Spot on. Look at that. Nice linguine. Alright, so we've got the linguine here. I did make a mistake. It should have been the thinner ones, but I'll keep on making mistakes. So we're just going to throw the sauce and the seafood all just on it. Yeah, beautiful. Now how about that? Now with marinara, it does taste better if you let it sit. It soaks up into the pasta. In fact, this is no lies, it tastes a lot better tomorrow. But it's dinner time, and I'm not going to wait till tomorrow. Mind you, there'll be heaps enough for leftovers. Spaghetti marinara with fresh calamari and crabs right here on Dom's Fishing Adventures. Right, so I'm just going to have a bit of a taste test. Get a nice curl of spaghetti full of sauce and a squid. Here we go. Bon appetit. Yeah. Okay, here we go, Bon appetit. Alright, I'm on the movie. I'm on the movie, hang on. Absolutely special. Anyway, you know what to do if you like the show, like it, thumbs up, give us a comment, I really do appreciate those comments, and we'll see you next time. Take it easy. Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.